In this video I show tin metal and 10 rod. This is welding. Is this welder, any welder can have these secret welding tips. Broken welding is this. Please clean the broken. The better performance, the welding is cleaning the broken metal and tin square tube. This tips is anyway these secret tips and welding properly welding tips, and this tin metal is not whole and 10 square bar, metal square bar 10 No, this not right way. This is right way is down up, 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 down up. So welding, let's start it. This welding is not professionally, but this welder, the square tube, 2 tin and 10 square bar. Please good performance in clean the carbon. Good performance, the tin welding.